Holds 16 cans. Treated with ester-resistant from forming on removable liner that offers packing flexibility and easy cleaning. Zippered main compartment keeps contents cold. Use hard plastic liner if packing with ice. No need for liner with ice substitutes. Shoulder strap adjusts for comfortable hands-free carrying. Front zippered pocket, 2 side mesh pockets, dry storage pouch, and lid bungees available for added storage. Heat-welded seams prevent leaks. Top reviews from the United States. Size, easy maintenance, great value. This is replacing an older Coleman I had for 10 years that I just loved and utilized as my daily lunch bag for work. It was time and due for a change. This one is just like the old one I had except for the color. The features are the same. The only weak point I see on this one is the durability of the zipper. I will try to remember to be deliberate when I open and close it as to not to damage it. Do not force or tug on this zipper. If you do, you will be very disappointed. Other than that, I find the interior tray facilitates cleaning and maintenance of this bag for a day-to-day lunch bag for work. Given the price of this bag, its features, I feel it is a great buy and value for its intended purpose.